How to connect Phantom Wallet to DEX Screener. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to connect Phantom Wallet to DEX Screener. So without further ado, let us begin. So let us start off by opening up Phantom Wallet. And then, once we're here, what you want to do is go to the compass logo or button right here at the bottom right corner. So just click on this, and then after that, you'll be redirected here. So what you want to do from here is to go to the search bar and then just search up for DEX Screener. So there you go. The first result right here is DEX Screener. So what you want to do now is to just simply click on it. There you go. And after that, just wait for this to load, and then you'll be redirected here. And then what you want to do from here is to connect your account. What you want to do is to just simply press on Explore right there. And then after that, there will be a sign in button for you right here in the top right corner. So what you want to do is to just simply click on sign in right there. And then there you go. And then from here, it says right there, sign in to DEX Screener to sync your settings, lists, and alerts across unlimited devices. So in here, just sign in your DEX Screener account. So you can sign in with Google, Apple, or just simply connect your DEX Screener wallet. So yeah, you simply click on these links and then just sign in your account. And then after signing in, your account will now be connected here into Phantom Wallet. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to connect Phantom Wallet to DEX Screener. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.